Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this short tutorial, you will learn how to save a CapCut video in your phone's gallery. CapCut is a popular video editing app that allows you to create amazing videos with various effects and tools. After spending time editing your video, it's important to know how to save it so that you can easily access and share it with others. To get started, open the CapCut app, and as you can see, I've created a new project and completed editing my video. All I have left is to export or save this video to my phone's gallery. So to do that, tap over here and then first select the resolution at which you want to save this video. I'm going to select 1080p. After that, select the frame rate and then select the bitrate of the video. Once you're done with your video, tap on the export button at the corner. Once that's done, you can exit the CapCut app and open up your photo gallery to view and access that video. Now you can post the video on any social media platform and share it with your friends and followers. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.